Hi friends, you know and I know about math look like a puzzle and I am here to help you. On this video, we will provide you with a complete notes on complex number exercise 3.2. Don't forget to hit subscribe button. So sit back, relax and ready to level up your knowledge. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it like and subscribe for more content. If you have any question you would like us to cover, please leave a comment below. See you in next video.